Hi, my name is Brian from Denmark, your tech friend with an unboxing of a brand new, still in the box iPhone XR. Look at this. Still in its original plastic from the Apple Store, wherever that may lie, where they produced this, in Taiwan probably. But this is 1,500 crowns, that's in Danish, and that converts into $211. Brand new, still in the box. I bought it just right in November 2022, and now as I'm recording this, it's December, and I will probably release this video in the start of 2023. I just want to show you the receipt also. Look at this, 25th of November 2022. Let's have a look into this phone. One of the major concerns about this phone, of course, if you're considering it, will be the battery life, and that's also a concern I have in regards to this unboxing experience, because is the battery already swollen when it's been lying idle in the package for like 4 years or something? Let's have a peeling. Are you ready for this? Ooh, suave. This is so cool. And if you're wondering what size it is, it's actually 6.1 inches, exactly the same as both the 12, 13 and 14 iPhones. Let's have an unboxing. This is the white version, designed by Apple in California. Let's just see what you get here in the package. Hi, that's Danish for sure, hello. Well, hello. I'll just have a smell. It doesn't smell old, it actually just smells like ink. So, oh, it's a Danish instruction manual. Welcome to your new iPhone. Face ID, home. You swipe to use the home. That's because at the time of this phone, of course, you were just converting from the 8 phones were still with the button, so you gotta learn your customer how to swipe. Even then, it had the SOS button. But now, again, like 4 years later, this is something brand new with satellites and all stuff. And let's see what else you get in the box. SIM card ejection tool, pretty cool. And a lot of leaflets. Ooh, take a look at this. 2 Apple stickers. Now you only get 1 in the newer phones. Well, and all these. Pretty cool, I must say. Already now I'm getting a better unboxing experience than with any new phone, because there's just so much more stuff in this. It makes the experience that much more fun. And what is absolutely cool about the iPhone is the software update scheme. Look at this. The iPhone XR is expected to be updated until 2025. That's 7 years of OS updates. That's just insane. And that's just industry leading without a doubt. But let's have a look. Okay, I'm just also gonna smell this one. It doesn't smell of, actually I would say, anything. Let's just put the phone aside for 1 minute. I just want to look in the box. Look here. Oh, painful relief. A real charger. My God. And these AirPods, is these the wireless? No, it's the wired ones. Wired AirPods and a charging cable. I mean, by golly, all the stuff you get in this phone. Well, it's the white version and it's 24 gigabytes. Let's do the rest of the peeling. And as Marvin Gaye would have said, it's gotta be essential peeling. Let's do this. Oh my God, it's actually pretty cute. There's absolutely diddly no damage. It's actually a pretty fine phone here in real life. It is exactly the same build as the iPhone 11. Sorry, I spoke over that peeling. Except for the iPhone 11, of course, having another camera module right here. I also just bought a cover for this one. Let's just have a quick look. The silent button there. Volume up, down. A nice little single camera. I'm of the opinion that you actually only need 2 cameras on a phone, because one ultra wide and then one standard lens. And then you could use the ultra wide for macro shots, and you could use the standard lens, very high megapixel count, for zooming in on objects far away. So you only need 2 lenses in my opinion. And there's the power on off button, SIM card tray, speaker and mic. There's a mic right there. Lightning cable, socket. But have a look at this. This is actually pretty cool. Which one would you prefer? An iPhone XR or a Pixel 7 Pro? Let's just relieve it from... This is a comparison you would want to see. I could do it. You could just see, but mostly it's got to come down to software, and both of these are very good in the software department. And then the hardware, of course, the Pixel is probably going to beat this right about now, even though I think the Geekbench scores may be more even than you would like to think, or know of, I would actually go as far as to say. So, well, it's pretty handy, this one, I must say, but also the Pixel 7 Pro is a nice device in ordinary handling. Let's just try and power this on. And let's see how it fares after not being powered on in 4 years. It really shouldn't be able to like power on anything. No, I think it's dead as a rock. So now just connected to a wire. And look, there's at least some charging light. But as you can see and tell here, it hasn't swollen or anything yet. So it's just been lying idle in the box for 4 years since production. Well, it may actually have been produced as late as like 1.5 years ago, I suspect, still in production. So this could actually be a phone produced at the very start of 2021, or at least in 2020, I'd suspect, because then it was still being manufactured. And lastly, the question you of course want answered is this water resistant? No. Yes, but it is. Splash and water resistant down to 0.5 meter up to 30 minutes. So you're good to go in all weather with this phone. But the real question you want to know is, should you buy it? And I would say, if you can get, you can't buy them for new anymore. So you won't find a scoop like this unless you're as lucky as me. Completely brand new. So buy it refurbed at around, I would also say, go look for the $200 mark or 250 perhaps. And it's still a qualified buy because it's going to last you for 2.5 years. So October 2025. But the main thing you want to take into consideration is the battery life. If you buy one of these refurb, make sure its battery life is above 90%. Otherwise, I wouldn't buy this phone. It's not worth your time. I'm looking so much forward to taking this into use, and let's just see if we can power it on. I want to see it spring into life. Oh my God, look at what is happening. It's coming alive just as I placed it alongside a couple of Pixel phones. This is the Pixel A6. And now the iPhone XR is alive. After 4 years, perhaps up to 4 years still in the package. Now we are alive. Let's not pick Japanese. We're going to be in dead serious trouble if we do. So there you have it. Sage Pixel A6, the white Pixel 7 Pro. And this is the iPhone XR. What phone would you prefer to buy? Write it down in the comments. My name is Brian from Denmark, your tech friend, and I'll see you in the next one. Yeah!